Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Audi S8, the high-performance luxury sedan that continues to blur the lines between executive elegance and full-on power. Audi has refined the S8 once again, adding more aggression to its exterior, more sophistication inside, and subtle yet significant upgrades to performance and tech. If you're in the market for a premium sedan that roars like a sports car but rides like a limousine, the S8 might just be the perfect match. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 S8 still carries Audi's signature minimalist design, but with enhancements that give it a stronger presence. The front fascia now sports a slightly reworked grille, broader, with a more pronounced blacked-out honeycomb pattern that's distinctively S. The Matrix LED headlights are sharper and sleeker, offering even better illumination and a more futuristic signature light design. Moving along the sides, you get clean, fluid lines and subtle chrome accents, plus standard 21-inch wheels that now come with a new optional gloss anthracite finish. The rear has been mildly updated too, with a slightly more sculpted bumper, quad chrome exhausts integrated into the diffuser, and a sleek OLED taillight bar that creates a futuristic animation when locking or unlocking the car. Audi has truly fine-tuned the S8's silhouette. It's stately without being flashy, and muscular without overreaching. Now, under the hood is where things get serious. The 2025 Audi S8 retains its 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, pushing out a commanding 563 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. That power is sent to all four wheels via Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, paired to an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission. The result? A 0 to 60 mph sprint in just 3.7 seconds. And yes, that's in a full-size luxury sedan, weighing over 5,000 pounds. Audi has also improved the predictive active suspension system. Using a camera to scan the road ahead, it can adjust each wheel individually for a smoother ride, or to sharpen cornering dynamics when needed. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through twisty back roads, the S8 balances comfort and control in a way that few other sedans can. Let's talk interior, because the cabin is where the Audi S8 really flexes its luxury muscles. You're greeted with an environment that's both tech-savvy and extremely plush. Premium Valcona leather comes standard, and now you can opt for exclusive carbon vector or natural wood inlays, depending on your taste. The dashboard continues to feature Audi's dual-screen MMI touch response system. The upper 10.1-inch display handles infotainment duties, while the lower 8.6-inch unit is for climate control and seat settings. Both offer haptic feedback, and the interface feels smooth, responsive, and futuristic. Behind the wheel, the 12.3-inch Audi virtual cockpit is as sharp as ever, with crisp graphics and customizable views. Of course, a modern luxury sedan wouldn't be complete without advanced driver assistance. The S8 comes loaded with features like adaptive cruise assist, lane keep assist, traffic jam assist, and a new intersection assist system to prevent side collisions. There's also a night vision assistant with pedestrian and animal detection, perfect for late-night drives in poorly lit areas. Audi's MIB3 infotainment software now supports faster updates and enhanced voice controls using natural language processing. You can literally speak to the car like a virtual assistant. Now, pricing. The 2025 Audi S8 starts at around $125,000 in the US, but once you start checking option boxes for the executive rear seat package, the carbon ceramic brakes, Bang & Olufsen advanced 3D sound system, or custom finishes, you can push the final price closer to $150,000. But for that kind of money, you're getting a package that's hard to beat. A car that's faster than most sports cars, more luxurious than some limousines, and packed with cutting-edge tech. In the world of performance luxury sedans, the 2025 Audi S8 continues to be a silent killer. It doesn't scream for attention with outlandish styling, but it delivers explosive performance and serious luxury in equal measure. Whether you're a driver or a passenger, the S8 leaves a lasting impression. From its poised exterior to the muscle beneath the hood, From the serene interior to its high-end tech, the S8 is as complete a flagship as they come. If you want presence, performance, and refinement without compromise, the 2025 S8 should be at the top of your list. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what you think of the new S8. Would you take it over a BMW 7 Series or Mercedes S-Class? Don't forget to subscribe for more premium car content just like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.